Hi guys, so I have a store that I have not been to in a while and it is Five Below. I've been seeing so many people going there and finding all of this amazing stuff and I'm like, oh, some of the stuff I'm like, do I want it? Do I need it? No. But I was over by a Dollar Tree and they had a Five Below right next door and I was like, okay, this is my chance to go in there, and I'm so glad I went in there. There's some stuff that I hauled that I'm not showing you. So for example, I hauled some Winnie the Pooh stuff because it's like the 100-year anniversary. So I got some, oh, I think I do have Eeyore in here that I'm going to show you, but I also got like some sweatshirts and some like cutesy little shirts and stuff like that. So anyway, the first thing that I am going to show you is this. I was so glad. I did not even know that this was in here. This is a gilded display shelf. I'm going to open this because I want you guys to see the quality of it because I haven't opened it myself and I wasn't going to open it in the people's store. That would have been ghetto. I can't do that. Okay, so let's see. We're going to open it up here, though, so you can see. And I can see. And see how gilded this really is. It says it's gilded, guys. Oh, my gosh, it is. This is stunning. Oh, my gosh. Obsessed with this. This is so pretty. Can you guys see this? Oh, my gosh, you guys. And it's like a cabinet, so it opens. Stop it right now. So this, it comes with the stuff to mount it on your wall. It even comes with anchors. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Why did I only get one? Oh my gosh. Immediately I have to go back. Do I need two? I was thinking about putting this in my bathroom. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It was $10. Like, are you kidding me? It looks gilded. Please. Is that plastic? Hold on. I can't even tell. Hold on. Yeah, this is plastic. I love that it's plastic because, you know, I live in the house with all these boys. Oh my gosh, you guys. Did someone say Bridgerton? Just know that this is me in a shelf, okay? You see all of this glisten? This is me in a shelf, okay? Imagine me as a shelf. This is me as a shelf. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This belongs in craft rooms. It belongs everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why did I only get one? Do I need two? Do they need to be balanced? Okay, I'm gonna think about that. I'm gonna think about that, guys. Anyway, it's called Gilded Display Shelf, okay? In case you wanted to know, because you need it. Who doesn't need this? I need it. You know, I do all these hauls. I need somebody to sponsor me, okay? Because I be thrilled about this like I make them and sell them, and I don't, okay? I get no money from you buying any of this stuff, but I will try to I don't know, I just got this YouTube thing about like, we'll tag your stuff for you, some kind of shopping affiliate thing. I don't know. I never even know about these things. Honestly, the Amazon, like I have Amazon links in my thing. I don't even know how to get to the thing where you actually get money that people buy your stuff. I don't even know how to do it. Okay, anyway. Look at Bluey. My son loves Bluey. Fun fact, Bluey's a girl. Okay, I know a lot of people think that Bluey's a boy. Bluey is a girl, and Bluey has a sister named Bingo. And Bluey's parents are how I parent, okay? So Bluey's parents are so cool. They're like, they don't play with these kids, okay? And Bluey, the reason why Bluey looks like this is because Bluey looks like her dad, and Bingo, her sister, looks like the mom, and the mom is orange, and Bluey is blue. But Bluey's a girl. She's a cute girl, too. She's cute. Also, while we're doing stuffed animals, say hi to Eeyore. You guys know I love Eeyore, so is this any surprise to anyone? No. Look how cute he is. Look at your little face. Oh, my gosh. I think Bluey was like $1 million and Eeyore was like $1,001,001. I think that's the prices of them. I don't know. I think they were like $7. I don't know, because nothing in Five Below is Five Below anymore. It doesn't seem. Bluey is so cute. My son is gonna love that. So I'm putting that in his Valentine's Day basket. That's late because yesterday was Valentine's Day, and I told them, I gave them like lollipops and stuff, and I was like, look, I have your basket, but it's not done yet. So just because I got them those little Walmart hearts. Honestly, should Eeyore just always be here? Because how cute does he look to you guys? I need to see how he looks. Look at his little face. He's looking at you. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Okay, I love Eeyore so much. Eeyore's my spirit animal. All right. Also, I got these Cherry Coke socks. Why? Because I love Cherry Coke Zero. That's the reason. And now they just came out with a Cherry Coke Float Zero, which is supposed to be like the cherry vanilla Zero, which I love the most, but now I've been having to drink wild Pepsi and cream because I can never find those. These are so cute, and they're pink, and they're Coke. So I love Coke. I love cherry Coke. I love cherry vanilla Coke the most. Okay, that's why I got those. All right, on to the crafty stuff. I got these bins, and I thought that I should share this because they are so cute. So they are little stackable plastic storage bins. These bins are $2. I bought a bunch because I am undergoing a craft room renovation. Not really a renovation. I'm just trying to get my life together. And these stack on top of each other so well. Like they stack and they stick, okay? Like they like fit. They don't just stack. They fit in here. So it's like, see? Nothing's like they're staying here. So I thought these were so cute to put right here. And I think I could fit 3 on top of each other. That's what I wasn't sure because I was like, how many should I get? They have them in clear. They have them in blue. They have them in pink. I wanted pink. Hello. Do you know me? I think 3 can fit. Let us check. Yep, 3 can fit. I might be able to fit 4. Hold on. I don't know if I want to put 4 on top because can I get to the top bin? And these are just so nice because you can just like get your stuff. Like my Crafty storage stuff is like right there in front of me. And these are like, they fit, okay? It's like a puzzle, like a Lego piece. They're not like, they just stack and move like the Dollar Tree ones. That's what I don't like about the Dollar Tree ones. Oh, I can fit 4 on top of each other, please. I'm about to start putting, who even knows what's going in here, but something is. So these are $2 each. I bought a bunch. I bought 10. They had a million of them at my store, and I was like, I'll take these pink ones, thank you. And I'll just get 10. And that's what I did. All right, then I have this pen set, which is Barbie. So cute. And you guys know I've been obsessed with finding my Holy Grail gel pen. So these are, so the thing about these are they're gel, but they erase by friction. So they're like friction pens, but they're Barbie. Let me see how they write, because I know you guys want to know. I do. I want to know. I know you do. Let us see how they work. We have here a pink piece of paper. These are blue ink. Okay. Okay. They might write like the friction pens, the Pilot friction pens, which are not my... I like them because they're erasable, but that's the only reason. Otherwise, I wouldn't like them because they're a little too faint for me. Let's see if these are. Yeah, these write just like the friction pens. They're actually slightly worse than the friction pens. Oh no, they write like the friction pens. Let me see how they erase. Let us see. Oh, they erase well though. They erase really well. So if you want an erasable pen, I mostly got these because they're cute. I might actually slide this little because this slides right off. I might slide this off and slide this onto my own pen. So there's that. So basically I spent $5 for these little silicone pieces, which silicone beads are expensive, so I still feel like I got my money's worth. And these are cute. So maybe I will, you know, maybe I'll like make these pretty and then give them as gifts. Just take the Barbie thing off, put my own cabochon on, and give these as little gifts. Aren't they cute? They're cute. Because I don't need any friction pens, but I did need these Barbie things. I did need those. I needed them. They're so cute. Okay. So those were $5. Barbie. I love Barbie. Okay. And then move these little bins over. Okay. They also had these, which we will also kind of swatch. These are pens. They're supposedly fountain pens. And I'm like, 8 fountain pens for $5. So here's my thought with these. If they are horrible, they write, you know, if they're terrible. Now, I don't know exactly how fountain pens work. My aunt just gave me some, my first set. I've never had them. She gave me like a little mini swap. She's so cute. And she gave me these pens in it, which these are the zebra ones, but these are disposable. And I had never written with a fountain pen before these, never. So when I saw these, I was like, okay. But I saw that it says that they have a, they give you the core or bore, the bore diameter, which is 2.6 millimeters. So I think that means that these are refillable. And that means that if these are horrible, doesn't that mean I could still keep how cute they are on the outside, but replace the ink on the inside? That's what I was thinking. Those of you who use these fancy pens, tell us newbies how they work. Okay. Can I, like, if I get a different refill, but I just liked that there were all these colors, I figured that I could. Now, I know there's probably something I was supposed to do, but you know, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, unscrew. Okay, I knew it. Okay, because I've watched a few videos. So you're supposed to unscrew it, right? Uh-oh. Okay, here's the barrel of the ink, guys. Here's the ink. Lord, that's dangerous. Oh my gosh. So take this out. Supposedly, throw away the paper. Flip the ink cartridge. Ooh, child. Ooh, child, this is a lot. Okay, wait a minute, guys. Hold on. Everybody just wait a minute. Okay, so this is the direction it's supposed to go. Yes, we're supposed to put it in this way. Insert it firmly as per the direction given in figure, whatever. When you say flip, okay, yeah, because this was like this and we want it like this, okay? I'm so scared. Okay, wait, oh, no. I shouldn't be scared. If this make a mess, 5 and below, you're gonna hear from me. Now insert the cartridges in the neck. Oh my gosh. Press this firmly. You guys, please. Okay, wait, I can't do this. Wait, did you guys hear a click? I didn't hear nothing. I hear nothing. Okay, wait. How am I supposed to do this? Okay, I can't. All right. Anyway, let's, after you hear the click, listen, we're just going to screw this on and see if it works. Okay? That's what we're going to do. Let's see if it works. No, because we didn't hear a click. Okay? I'm going to ask my husband to help me with this. Okay, what if I turn it upside down and do the click? Is that going to make a mess? You guys are probably like, Lisa. Yes! Okay. All right, guys. All right. We are cooking with grease. Hold on. Hold on. All right. Okay, let's do it. Nothing's coming out. Okay, look! You guys, we did it. And we are in here. We are fancy. Look how fancy we are with our fountain pen. Oh, these are cute. That's not bad for $5. It would be prettier on white paper. And look at how all the colors. Look at all these colors. There's a blue, a pink. Oh my gosh, I like this. Okay, $5. Come on, 5 below. You're gonna hear from me in a positive way now, instead of the negative where you're making a mess on my desk. So those are cute, $5. Can't beat that. Okay. I also got these gel pens because I'm a psycho, obviously. Clearly, I've been looking for pens. And these are also different colored inks. And my son is also addicted to pens like me. So when I've been buying the pens and they haven't been working out for me, I've been giving them to like my kids, my nephew. Oh, look, these are cute. You can see the ink. Oh my gosh, I love those. Okay, let's see. We don't need to do all the fancy stuff we just had to do. We just have to open it up and maybe take off a little tip, which these don't even have a tip. Okay, guys, let us see if this is a good. Oh, these are nice. They work immediately. Lisa. Oh, they work. These are nice, guys. Get you some of these. These are nice. That's nice. Let me see the pink. Where's the pink? Pink. Give me the pink one. Let me see the pink one. Oh, yeah, and they work like right away. The pink one is a little scratchier than the blue one, but I mean, for a whole thing of these for $5, that's pretty good for a gel pen. Oh, wait, not this. Okay, so I love these. These are a yes from me. These are yes from me. They might not be my holy grail pen. I have to check because I have to write in my planner with it because that's what I'm using these for, is for my planner. Because my favorite regular pen is a Pilot G2, just for everyday use. But I'm looking for the pen to go perfectly with my planner. Okay, then I also got this watch band because it's cute and it's from Wicked and I love Wicked. And then the last 2 things I got require a little more time because they are craft books. And I saw, this is all because of Itiri, who's Itiri TV. I'll link her in the description bar. She is the one that forced me to go to the store and buy these. She forced me, you guys. Okay, she didn't really force me. So I got this craft book. And then I also got this one because it was so pretty, even though it's not a craft book. So let us look at it together. Okay, let's look at it together. So this is called Vintage Blossom and Blooms. These are both $5. And this has stickers in it and paper. Okay, look at this cover. Beautiful, beautiful. $5. All right. So we have a peep inside the Antiquarian World of Flowers. Never heard that word before. Okay, look how pretty. So they have like actual things, but you could just cut this stuff out and use it. And then it has mazes, so fun, and my babies are gonna love doing those. So the pages that are like actual activities, I'm gonna have them do, but I'm gonna cut out all these images because these are mine. And then the thing that I like, it has drinks in here, but then also it has like a crocheted thing, which I do crochet a little bit, like, you know, a little tiny bit. And then, all right, we don't have to look at every page. Come on now. We're still in the that section. Okay. Then it gets into some of the fun. So it has coloring pages and paper. So on the backs of some of these, it becomes like where you can use the paper on the back. So if you don't want to do the front, you can use the paper on the back. And I thought that was great because I want to use the paper on the back. Then there's like little things like this, and then there's stickers. So you could use the stickers and then use the back. And I love pictures of flowers because I use them a lot in my planner. Like my planner style is very different than my paper crafting one. But this is so pretty, and I love that it has like little quotes. These are so pretty, and I'm like, for $5, all these stickers? Stickers are expensive, especially stickers and pictures of flowers. And look at these. I love that you don't have to use the coloring pages. That's like one thing that drew me to it, because I don't like coloring intricate things. I just like coloring easy stuff, if I even color at all. But yeah, so it has a bunch of this stuff, and then it has pretty things like this that you could cut out and use. And eventually I do want to make some junk journals. This is a little flower matching thing, but of course you cut that out. And then in the back it has the answers. But then it also has some more pretty stuff. So on the backs of these is paper, and I think the paper is so pretty. I want to show you the paper. Okay, so the back of this. Okay, I think it starts here. No, there we go. So here's the front and the back, and the front and the back. So pretty. So pretty. And then look at the back cover. So I thought this was so cute for $5. And then this one is nice, this little Avec crafts book. And this one, I think I've seen Itiri. I think she showed this, like showed a flip through of this, but let me just open it up so you can see. So this one it has a lot more paper in it than the other one. The other one, like you have to kind of, I mean, it has stickers, but you have to make it into a crafting thing. But this is supposed to be a crafting thing. So this has stickers, tags, cards, wrapping paper, all the things. Okay, so this was also $5, and this is Flower Power, and I just thought it was cute, and I love these flowers, and I love this. So I will be cutting all into this book. Okay, this book will be cut up, and look at that, how pretty that is. The paper is thin, which is nice. And then these are some little cards. They are perforated, they open, and then they fold. They're scored already, pre-scored. And then we have these. I don't want them to come out. So we also have these envelopes, which are adorable. And those are like a little bit like thinner, you know. So they actually could even be envelope liners. And then we have some words, some little letters. And these flowers, these stickers are also beautiful. I love these. And then these are also stickers, beautiful, perfect for planners. This is paper, and it's double-sided, so pretty. More stickers. There's so many stickers in this book. I thought it was such a good deal. This is like a little card, but the card has a pop-up, so it's cute. It's like a kind of a dimensional card. Here are some tags, adorable. And again, you can use these as bases and do so much more with them. This is paper. It's double-sided, and then this is like a postcard. Yeah, it's a postcard. And then on the back here are some more cards. These cards are so cute, and they're cute bases. Like you could add little stickers and stuff to them, and then some more of these little envelopes. And then this has a folder in here. I didn't even know this had. This is the wrapping paper, I guess. And then you can use the back of this and even this, reuse this. And the wrapping paper it opens, and look at the inside. So pretty. So this folds in 4, and then this also folds in 4, but it's pretty. Look how pretty. So I thought this was cute, and it's just kind of like an intro into these kind of books for me, because I don't have any books like this. I think I may have one that I got at Ollie's, but I thought it was kind of fun, and I feel like it would be fun to kind of try to figure out what I could do with it. So yeah, so that is my Five Below haul. Favorite item, of course, is this, because hello, look how pretty. I'm like thinking about like, do I need this to be an even situation, or is it okay just having one? I think I may just keep one, but I'm gonna think about it some more. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you can find anything that you may. What's your favorite item in this haul? Let me know. See you in the next one. Bye.